I always say that everything happens for a reason.
I can't be in this marriage anymore. I want to be with you.
I don't mean to interrupt what sounds like a super important salad conversation. I just have one quick question.
Please listen carefully to the following emergency announcement. This is not a test. To receive information in another South African language, please shift to the SABC channel in your language. Do not switch off your television. Listen carefully. Listen carefully. The South African National Defence Force and the Office of the President have issued an emergency alert system warning. Please stand by for additional information. A nuclear accident has taken place at the Coburg nuclear plant in Cape Town, Western Cape. Radioactive fallout has been expelled from the site. The fallout is expected to spread throughout the Western Cape within the next hours. Take immediate shelter. Do not leave your homes. Do not leave your homes. Do not leave your homes.